You guys, I don't get this, but this is so creepy.
There's a tornado. Dun, dun,
It's a tornado. Like, I don't get it.
Just because they say that on the news doesn't mean there is a tornado.
There is. Like, look at this cloud. Like, this is that. You can see that. This is a cloud. It's swarming like crazy. If you guys comments down below if you think, if you see it like a funnel or something, because tell us. We have to grab everything we need. Like my iPad, Charlotte's iPad. We have to grab everything. Like, look at these clouds outside. There's tornado sirens. There's like tornado sirens on the TV. And on every channel. And it's in Katekwa, the tornado. Yeah, that's where Auntie is. So, comment down below if you ever seen a real tornado. So I live in Canada, Saskatchewan, Regina, Stone Point. Your flash doesn't die. It's flashing.
Flash to die?
Yeah. You know, it's... See? I'm gonna show you. Can you pick that up? Okay, this is really great. Okay, really good. You can see? What's iPad? Can you do
iPad?
Okay, now go to app.
Wait. Look at my dog.
Okay.
Now
Go to app store. And now do, oh no, it's wrong, Nick.
I need a commercial because so I have to play one of these games.
Comment down below. I don't think we should play games. Just no. Go on YouTube. Go to YouTube. Why is it like that? Go to settings. Go to settings.
Oh, come on. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do the meeting.
That's not settings. You know what settings?
Okay, so that's settings.
Yeah, go here. No, Charlotte.
I need you to YouTube.
It's loading. Loading.
Boo!
It's not gonna work.
So we can't do YouTube.
Well, I hope you guys don't get this tornado. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and press notification at the bottom so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye.